Does your kitchen have a drawer full of dull knives? There's nothing more frustrating than trying to slice a ripe tomato with a dull knife. Hi, Billy Mays here for the HomeSmart Samurai Sharp, the ultimate sharpening tool that puts a razor's edge on dull knives, tools, scissors, or just about anything with a cutting blade. The secret to the Samurai Sharp are the tungsten carbide sharpening blades, along with their unique angle that give you a precision edge each and every time. Countertops, cutting boards, plates and dishes, these are the things that dull your knives. This knife is so dull, it won't even cut this sponge. But with the Samurai Sharp, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3, and you get professional results each and every time. The retractable sharpening blade allows you to easily sharpen serrated edges. No other sharpener does that. When it comes to sharpening scissors, ordinary sharpeners are tough to use. But whether it's scissors, tools, or knives, big or small, the Samurai Sharp sharpens them all. If you're an outdoorsman, take them with you when you go hunting or fishing to keep those fillet knives razor sharp. It fits in your glove box, toolbox, even your tackle box. We'll send you the original Samurai Sharp for only $10. If it's not the easiest sharpening tool you've ever used, simply send it back. But through this exclusive